Hello everyone, how are you? Today we talk about how to create a Shopify store. Actually, this is a full course about Shopify dropshipping. In this course, we will create 3 or 4 Shopify store, and we will trying how to customize Shopify premium theme and plugins and Shopify page builders for create our Shopify store, and more things we will trying here. Let's get started. We can we can create 2 types of Shopify store. The first, if you search shopify.com, you find this home page. This is Shopify main page, and you can start here for free trial, and it is this is one kinds of Shopify store you can launch, you can create here. And second is Shopify partners, and every both are same, but some difference about them. If you start here, if you create your Shopify store here, it is only for 14 days, and when 14 days, if you not add your domain in your shop, you lost your shop from here, because it chance you for only 14 days. But if you create here in Shopify partners, if you join, it is very simple. Just you click here. I have a Shopify store, that's why I open a new tab, and and now I show you how to join here. Just click here, and you must add your main email address, your first name and last name. It will be original, and create a password, confirm password, and you create Shopify ID. When you fill up this all box, it is enabled for you. Okay, when you complete your previous tasks, you found this page, and our first work, we create a Shopify store. Okay, you can you just click here, and you need to create a Shopify store. Already I have 3 store, but your store page will blank, because you have not any store. If you if you want to create a Shopify store, just click here, and you check out this development store. Okay, now you choose your store name. For testing purpose, I chose a name. I want to create a light shop. You can put your email address and password, confirm password. Okay, this is very important. Create store with transfer disable to use a developer preview. If you click here, you cannot transfer your store anywhere. If you are a developer, you want to create a store for your client, if you check it, you cannot transfer your this shop. Okay, so we skip it, and we put our address here. Okay, after selecting our address, store purpose, what will you do with this development store? Okay, we click here, build a new store for a client, save it. Okay, already we create our shop, and this is fully empty. This is our store, and it is fully empty. Our first work, we add some pages for our shop. So we click here, pages, and we add some pages from here. We click here, add page, and first home page, and save it. And we click here, add page, and our page name is about page. And again we go back and add page, home, about, product page. Okay, we have already 1 2 3 4 page: home, about, contact, and product. This page we don't need. Okay, 4 pages we have, and now we create our menu, and this menu. Now we create our menu, and we link up with our pages. Navigation, we click here, and we select. Okay, we create our main menu and link up with our pages. It is already linked up here with home page. Okay, we don't found our about page, so we create our about menu and link up with about page. Okay, link with about, and we are not found here about page. We just write here about and link with page and about. We edit it. It is our product page, and all product we found here, product page. Like this. Contacts. Okay, save the change. Refresh our store. So home page, about page, product page, contact page. We link up pages with menu. In this video we create a Shopify store, and we add some pages for our Shopify store, and we create our header menu. We link up header menu with our pages. And it is very simple. It is very simple and basic Shopify store, and it is fully blank. And day by day we try to change it, and we customize it fully customize it. When we completed our this store, we create more 3 or 4 Shopify store, and we use the Shopify free and premium theme plugin and page builder. Okay, thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel and stay with me. Thank you. Happy learning.